Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. I was sent this really interesting item. I'm so excited about it to show you. This is called the MCFLIP. So what this is this. So I'm going to show this behind the card of how it was wrapped on the inside so you can see it better, okay? Because it's all black. It says MCFLIP right here. It has this space right here where you can put it on your luggage. It's really a luggage tag, but you can use it so many places. It's a wallet tracker card, wallet/luggage tracker card. It's wireless and it recharges on a wireless pad, and it's reusable. You can use it all the time. It holds a charge for about 3 months, and I'm excited to use it to show you. There's a little button here that you press and hold this button for 5 seconds. And you see that? Oops, oh, I dropped it. There was a little blue at the bottom and it made a little noise to let you know it's on, okay? And then what you do with it is you take your iPhone and you go to the app called Find My. It was so easy to do. Listen, I'm a senior, 62 years old, and I was able to do it. You just tap Add Item, and then you'll tap Other Supported Item, and then it'll find this, and as long as it's on, it'll find it, because of course the first time I did it I didn't have it on properly. And then it'll ask you if you agree to the terms, and you say yes, and then that's it, it's on. And then every so often you can recharge it every 3 months or so. And let me show you too then, same thing right there. To turn it off, you just press it 5 times quickly. So let me, did you see that blue down there? And it makes that noise, and now it's turned off. So, but of course you want to have it on to go where you want it, in your briefcase for work, on your luggage, in your wallet. I would honestly, for me, I wouldn't, well, yeah, luggage tag, I would put this in my luggage, but this fits, it is the size of a credit card. So see, perfect size of a credit card. So what I'm doing with mine is I'm going to put it into my wallet, and it just sits in there just like any credit card would. And then that way, if I leave my wallet at the store, it will, when I am away from it, it will beep on my phone and tell me I've left it. I've done that before, y'all. I've left my wallet before. This way I'll know immediately from my phone and can run back in the store to get it. So it's a very wonderful thing to keep you safe, to keep you from losing things. Like I said, you could put it to your luggage, then you will know. It'll show you on the map, on the software of Find My, where it's located in case it gets separated from you. It is just so this works with an Apple iPhone and an iPad, and you need to have the Find My app on your phone. So it's from iPhone 7 going forward, and it just uses any wireless charging station, and it's just a slim smart card. The wallet tracker is built-in wireless charging function. The charger is not included. It's made this Bluetooth tracker reusable and environmentally friendly. You can use any wireless charger to charge this wallet finder card, and can last up to 3 months on a single charge. And it also has a lithium battery that is inside. It's already built in there, so you don't have to worry about replacing that. And it's just really cool. I'm so excited to have it, because I am a person that sometimes loses my wallet. I'm not a person that loses a lot of things, but sometimes I do accidentally leave it behind. So this will be really good to have. And you know how the Find My app on Apple phone works. If your phone gets stolen, the police can find your phone for you, or you can see where it's located and they can go get it for you. So it's really a wonderful technology. And again, it is just credit card size, so it'll fit in your wallet easily. And it does have the slot if you want to put it on your luggage or somewhere else where you want to keep track of things. And the instructions come in different languages and super easy to follow. Super easy. So y'all, I'm going to go charge mine and then put it back in my wallets. And my wallet should be safe from now on. So I want to thank Weber from YHT Technologies for sending this to me. I'm very happy to have it. It will come in handy because I am a person that once in a while loses things. So very, very happy to have it, and super easy. I can't tell you how easy it was to connect it. And I just want to thank you very much for sending this to me, Weber. And y'all take care. I will have the link below. This is found on Amazon, and I'll have the link below if you are interested in it. And check it out. It is a really cool technological item. Thank y'all. Take care and count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye.